One of the most versatile pieces of machinery is the excavator. Typically brought in for the dirtiest jobs, excavators are used for digging holes, trenches, and foundations, material handling, forestry work, demolition, dredging, and plenty more. We all know that excavators aren't too effective without their attachments. That's why it's critical that you're picking the right attachment for the right job. Before we get into the details, let's start by reviewing the different excavator sizes, as this is an important step in the attachment decision process. Number 1 is the compact, also known as the mini. This is the smallest available excavator size and is capable of lifting 6 tons. Its compact size makes it ideal for small-scale jobs like repairing a sewer. Next is the midi. The midi excavator are suitable for small tasks but are stronger than the compact excavator, and they're capable of lifting between 6 and 10 tons. Third is the standard. Standard-sized excavators are ideal for commercial projects and are the most common size. They're capable of moving from 10 to 45 tons. Fourth is the large size. These are the most robust excavators available on the market. Capable of lifting over 45 tons, large size excavators are used on heavy projects like demoing a large building.
Now before we continue, be sure to crush the like button and subscribe to E&C to receive more heavy equipment guides. We do appreciate your support.
Now let's get to the attachments. Buckets. Buckets are the most common attachment available for an excavator. Featuring a deep container to hold dirt, rocks, and other materials, the bucket also has teeth on the edges to cut into surfaces. Auger. With the use of a powerful spiral drill, augers are used to dig holes and are the ideal attachment for construction of wells and planting trees. Hammer. If you're interested in demolition, you might be interested in a hydraulic hammer attachment. They're capable of destroying rough material like concrete, and they're used for jobs like breaking rock for sewer lines. Grapple. A grapple is designed to help an excavator pick up, move, and sort materials. There's a wide array of grapples used for specific applications like demolition, scrap and rock handling, forestry, and land clearing. Right now you're watching one of our favorite grapples in action, the MB G900 by MB Crusher. Rake. Rake attachments slide along the ground and pick up just about anything that gets in the way. They're perfect for sorting material, land clearing, and gathering demolition debris. Multiprocessor. Adding a multiprocessor attachment will enable your excavator to do much more than dig. Depending on which of the interchangeable jaw sets you're using, a multiprocessor is ideal for demolition jobs like crushing, cutting, and pulverizing. Compactors. Compactor attachments are designed for efficiently compacting soil and reduce the need for manual labor in trenching, ground leveling, embankment construction, and other related jobs. Now that you're familiar with some of the popular excavator attachments, here's our advice for making your final decision. Plan ahead. Every attachment has a unique design and purpose. In some cases, careful research may be required, such as the attachment's tipping load size and the specific type of job that it's going to perform. Attachment efficiency. Choosing the correct attachment has the potential to cut down the cost of labor considerably, so be sure to consider all of the attachment's features, sharp teeth being an example. Also, how about the attachment's build quality? Is it designed well? Was it built with good materials? What's a fancy attachment with bells and whistles going to matter if I can't make it through the job? Consider the size. A larger size doesn't necessarily mean the job will go faster. In fact, it might slow you down in some cases. Also, a large attachment might not fit properly and could damage the excavator. Testing. If possible, one of the best ways to know whether an attachment is right for you and your project is to test it out in the field. If you get this opportunity, be sure to pay close attention to installation. Is it easy to install? How long does it take to install? Also, will training be required to operate the attachment? Have any other suggestions for choosing the right excavator attachment? Well, be sure to comment below. It might just help someone save some money as well as a headache on the job. Lastly, we want to thank our video sponsor, North American Attachments, located in Winston-Salem, North Carolina. North American Attachments offers a wide variety of excavator attachments, as well as attachments for skid steers, backhoes, loaders, and more.
Stay tuned for more heavy equipment guides. Also, you can view our complete list of guides at eandcmag.com. That's EANDCMAG.com.